Hello everyone, this is Munam from WP Swings and welcome all of you to our channel of WP Swings, where we discuss WordPress and WooCommerce solutions that can help you grow your online business, which will ultimately assist you to provide a top-notch user experience and customer satisfaction. Hence, stay tuned with our channel to keep getting back-to-back product tutorials and interesting updates. Today's demo video is about the Bookings for WooCommerce Pro plugin, in which I will demonstrate the working of the plugin. You can check and download the plugin from the video description content, or if you have any doubts, you can put your queries in the comment section. We will be glad to help you. Before starting with the setup part, let me give you a short introduction to the product. Are you looking to convert your online store into an online booking service for your customers? Or do you want to provide bookable services in your store as per your customer needs? If your answer is a big yes, then Bookings for WooCommerce Pro will be the best fit solution. The plugin aims at providing a comprehensive booking solution for the admin to provide the facility of bookable resources along with the facility of cancellation and rescheduling, and give early bird discounts on bookings, thereby increasing the customer engagement and increasing the sales. What is Bookings for WooCommerce Pro plugin? Bookings for WooCommerce Pro is a plugin that will help you to create a bookable resource and transform your store into a bookable website easily and effectively. Moreover, with this plugin, the customers can cancel, book and reschedule the bookings, and the admin can also send email reminders and text reminders to the customers for their upcoming bookings, thus helping the customers to know about their bookings. We are on the WordPress dashboard, and before moving to the plugins backend, let us first see how we can easily install the plugin. So for installing the plugin, you have to hover on plugins and click on add new. And here you can upload the plugin, and here you can choose the zip file that you have got from the description content of this demo video, or you can also visit this product page, as you can see that here. So here you can visit the product page, as you can see that Bookings for WooCommerce Pro, and here you can go through all the features and functionalities of Bookings for WooCommerce Pro, and here you can click on buy now to buy this plugin. And once you have got the zip file, you have to click on choose file. So here is the zip file, then you have to click on install now. So as you can see that the plugin has been installed. So once the plugin has been installed, you have to click on activate plugin. So here the plugin has been installed, as you can see that Bookings for WooCommerce Pro. And when you have go to the backend, so when you want to go to the backend, so you can simply click on settings, or you can hover on WP Swings and click on Bookings for WooCommerce. Before moving to the plugins backend, make sure when you have got the Pro zip file, or you have activated this Bookings for WooCommerce Pro, it is mandatory to install the free plugin, that is Bookings for WooCommerce, then only Pro plugin will work. And if you want to watch the tutorial on Bookings for WooCommerce free plugin, we have mentioned the link of part 1 for Bookings for WooCommerce free plugin, so you can watch the detailed tutorial for the free plugin. So now let us move to the plugins backend. We are on the backend settings of Bookings for WooCommerce Pro plugin. So in this demo video, I will explain you about the pro features of the plugin, and if you want to watch the demo video on the free features of the plugin, so we have mentioned the link in the description content, so you can watch it by clicking on the link, and you can watch the demo video on the free version. So let's start with the general settings. So here as you can see that the field change status to processing. So as soon as the admin will click on the toggle button, so here you can see that the next field has come up, like enter the number of days. Like here whatever the admin will enter, like suppose I have entered 2 days. So after 2 days, so the status that has been booked, status of the bookable resource that has been placed by the customer, so that will be changed to processing after this particular decided number of days. Like whatever the booking request has been placed by the customer, and after this certain number of days, the status will be changed to the processing. Same goes for change status to cancelled. So this feature greatly helps the admin, like the admin can also cancel the unpaid unpaid bookings by selecting the number of days. Like here, if I select like 3 days, so after 3 days automatically the bookings of the customer will be changed, will be cancelled, and the status will be set to cancelled. So this will help the admin greatly by reducing the manual time to check each unpaid bookings and cancelling them. So this is how the admin can enter the number of days for the change status to processing and change status to cancelled as per his business requirements. So here the admin can enable or disable these fields. So this was all about the general settings tab, and here make sure to click on save settings. So if you will click on this, as you can see that here is the short code which can be used on any page to show the bookable product search widget. So the admin can use this short code to show the bookable product search widget for the customer, so that the customer can filter out the bookable resources on his particular requirements. Like, let me copy this, and then you have to go on pages and click on add new, and here you can add the title like this, and then you have to click on this plus sign, and here you have to click on short code, and then you can place the short code here, and you can click on publish, and then you have to click on view page. So as you can see that the bookable product search widget has been added. So now the customer, whatever the customer, like suppose the customer comes and he suppose like clicks on additional services, and boys he suppose clicks on 2, and girls like 3, and booking quantity 1. So here when the customer will click on filter data, so whatever the bookable resources based on this requirements will be available. So here it will come, like as you can see that hotel Ace and accommodation booking are available for this particular requirement placed by the customer. So this is how you can add the bookable product search widget as per your needs and requirements. So let's again go back. So this was all about the general settings. Now let's move to next tab, that is configuration settings. So we are on the configuration settings, and here is the first sub menu, that is booking form settings. So we will start with this. So here as you can see that display additional services detail. So here the admin can click on this toggle button to show the additional services details whenever the customer will hover on the listed service. Like whatever the like additional service like that you have created like this. Let me click on this. So as you can see that SPA and Wi-Fi are the additional services. So like when I will click on edit, so here as you can see that the description I have written as please add this option to get the SPA service, or whatever the description the admin will decide, so that will be displayed whenever the customer will hover on that listed service. So if you want to check how additional services are created, so you can check out our the demo video on the free version for bookings for WooCommerce. So we have added as a suggestion card, so you can click on this I button, or you can also go through the description content and click on the video link. So let's again go back to the booking form settings, and let's enable this. So as you can see that this has been enabled, and next is display booking policy. So the admin can disable or click on this to enable this booking policy, and here the admin can mention the booking policy. Like here I have mentioned like make sure to make the payment on time to avoid the auto cancellation of the booking. So this is how I have created a booking policy. So based on this, the admin can also create whatever the policy he wants to decide. So after doing this, you have to click on save settings, and let's go to the shop page, and let's hover on this. So as you can see that it is coming, please add this option to get the SPA service. So this is how the additional services details will come whenever the customer will hover on this. Next, let me click on this and this. So as you can see that the disclaimer is coming as make sure to make the payment on time to avoid the auto cancellation of the booking. So this is how booking policy is coming. So whatever from the backend the booking policy is decided by the admin, so the booking policy will reflect here like this. So this is how you can decide the booking policy, and if you want to show the additional services details, so you can show it from here. Next, let's move to availability settings. We are on the availability settings tab. So from here the admin can decide the availability of their bookable resource, like here availability by days. Like here the admin can decide like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday and Sunday. So he can decide the morning timings and the night timings and lunch in and lunch out timings. Like he can decide lunch in and lunch out timings, and for that particular timings the bookable resource will not be available for the customers to book. Like whatever the morning time and night time is decided, so after that particular time the customers will not be able to book the bookable resource. Like today is Tuesday, so morning time is like 12 o'clock and for the night, let me click on like after 11 o'clock the bookings will not be available. So let me click on save, and when I will go to shop page, so here as you can see that the bookings is not available because from the backend we have decided the night timing as 11 o'clock, and for now the timing is 11:54. So that's why the bookings is not available here. So this is how the admin can decide the availability by days, and here he can enter the morning and the night timings, and also lunch in and lunch out timings. So for that particular times, for that particular time the booking will not be available, and after morning and night time bookings will also not available for the customers. So the admin can decide on the basis of days also. So let me again shift this. So when we will scroll down, so here as you can see that the next field is please select the unavailable dates or list of holidays. So here the admin can put down the list of holidays on which he wants the unavailability of the bookings. Like he can decide whatever, like it's the June month, he suppose he wants 4 days, like on the 8th of June, on 16th of June, on 25th of June, on 30th of June. So the bookings on this particular dates will not be available, or he can decide for the month of June, July, August, September, and so on. So this is how the admin can decide the unavailable dates. On that particular dates the bookings will not be available. So this is how the admin can select the list of holidays as per his business requirements. Next, if you want if you want to close the bookings for particular months, so you can enable this, and here you can select particular months on which the bookings will not be available. Like this is the month of June, so I'm selecting this, and here here make sure you have also selected the unavailable days. So here you can decide like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So for the month of June, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday the bookings will not be available. So when I will click on save settings and when I will refresh this, so as you can see that still the booking is not available because this is the month of June and I have decided the unavailable days as Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So if I will remove Tuesday and click on save settings, and when I will refresh this, so here as you can see that the booking is coming, because we have decided only 2 days that are Sunday and Monday for the month of June. So here you can also decide for different months like April or like October, November and December, and you can specify the days on that particular days the bookings will not be available. So this is how you can select the unavailable days and unavailable months for your bookings. On that particular date of the month the bookings will not be available for the customers to book that particular bookable resource. And if you don't want, you can disable this functionality and you can click on save settings. So now let's click on save settings. So this was all about the availability settings. Now let us move to next tab, that is reminder settings. We are on the reminder settings tab. So here the admin will get an exclusive feature in this pro plugin to send the email reminders to the customers reminding of their bookings. Like here the admin can click on this toggle button and here he can decide the days before the email reminder will be sent. Like whenever the customer will place any order related to bookable resource, like suppose he has placed the booking for 10th of June and we have decided to send the reminder 1 day before. So on the 9th of June the customer will receive an email reminder reminding of their bookings, and here the admin can decide the reminder mail subject. Here like I have decided just a friendly reminder that you have an upcoming booking, and here the admin can also enter the content to send in the reminder email. Make sure you have used this placeholder like customer and booking name and booking time. So this will display the customer name and this booking name and booking time. Make sure you have used this placeholder. So I have written this content, as you can see that. So this is how the admin can decide the content and the reminder mail subject on the basis of his requirement, and he can also decide the days before the reminder will be sent for the bookings. Next, the admin can also enter the content that will be sent via SMS as a SMS reminder to the customers. So here make sure you are using the placeholder like booking time, customer, and here you can use the content like this. So this is how the admin can easily enter the content that will be sent via text SMS, and here he can decide the content that will be sent in reminder email. So let me show you a mail that the customer will be getting. So let me open my Gmail. So here is the mail that customer will be getting. Like here the name is coming as for the customer name is coming, and here the date is coming, and whatever the bookings that the customer has placed, like accommodation booking or whatever the booking name is there. So this is coming because we have placed the placeholder. So make sure you have used a placeholder for this, like for the name and for this booking name and for this date. So like whatever the reminder that have been set, like suppose 1 day before, so like on 4th is booking date, so on 3rd he will be getting like this. So this is how you will be getting the reminders based on your set days to send the reminder, like 1 day or 2 day before. So this is how the customer will be getting email for the bookings reminder. So this is how the admin can decide the number of days before the email reminder will be sent to the customer reminding of their bookings. So this is how easily you can set the reminder settings for the customers. So this was all about the reminder settings tab. Now let us move to next tab, that is integration settings. So we are on the integration settings tab. So with this Bookings for WooCommerce Pro plugin, the admin will get enhanced or advanced integration settings that will help the admin to share the bookable resources, so that it will help to promote his booking store or booking website via Facebook. Like here the admin can enable the sharing on Facebook, and firstly he has to enter the Facebook app ID and Facebook app secret here and Facebook access token here. So he can get the Facebook app secret here, Facebook access token here, and he can enter here an app ID he need to enter. Then he need to click on save settings. Then he can easily share his booking products on Facebook. Next, to send the text reminders. In order to send the text reminders via Twilio, so firstly the admin can enable the Twilio API integration from here, and here he can enter the Twilio API SID here and Twilio API token here, and here he can enter the Twilio SMS sending number. So after doing all this, he can easily send the text reminder to the customers reminding of their bookings, like whatever the customer has placed bookings, so he can remind the bookings via SMS text reminders. So this was all about the integration settings tab. Now let's move to people types. So if you want to watch the detailed video on how to create additional cost, how to create additional service, so you can watch the free video on Bookings for WooCommerce free plugin. So we have mentioned the link in the description content, or you can also watch from the suggestion card that we have mentioned. So you can click on I button and you can watch the free part of Bookings for WooCommerce free plugin. So now let's move to next tab, that is people types. So we are on the people types tab. So with this pro plugin, the admin will get to create the people type. Like here you can add the new booking people, like already we have created boys and girls. So here you can add like I'm adding like ladies and slug as same, and description you can add, and here you can decide the unit cost, base cost, and the maximum quantity. Like here I'm deciding 10 and 15, and here the maximum quantity I am deciding like 4, and let me click on add new booking people. So as you can see that the new booking people has been added. So now let's move to shop page, and here let me refresh this. So it is not showing here because after you have created people type, now you have to go to the product section and click on all product, and then you have to click on any of the like bookable resource that you want to add this people type. So I am clicking on Hotel Ace, and here you have to scroll down, and here you can, when you will scroll down, so here you will be getting the option of people type. So here let me search like ladies, and you can click on add, and now you have to click on update. So now let's go to shop page, and let's go back, and let's select this view details. So as you can see that the people type ladies is coming here, and when you will like increase the quantity, so it is not going beyond 4, because from the backend we have decided the maximum quantity as 4 in the people type. Like here, when you will go to the people type, so you will see here in the ladies, we have decided the maximum quantity as 4 and the unit cost is 10 and 14 is the base cost. So here as you can see that, so on the basis of that all the calculations have been done. So this is how the admin can easily add the new booking people as per his business requirements. So this was all about the people types tab. Now let's move to next tab, that is add booking order. So we are on the add booking order tab. So with this pro plugin, you will get an exclusive feature by which the admin can manage all the bookings on the customer behalf, being as an agent. Like here, whatever the user whatever the customer that already have placed their bookings, so you can enter their first 3 of one or more character, like I am typing here A. So like this admin, for now I am selecting admin. Here you can select like whatever the product name is, like I am selecting HOT, hotel lineage. So this is how, and the admin can select the duration. Additional services is also coming, and here he can decide how many bookable resources are there to book. So he can decide like this, and he can click on book now. So as you can see that the order has been created successfully. So now let's go to bookings. So as you can see that the booking order has been placed by admin on customer behalf. So this is how the admin can place the bookings on customer behalf like this. So this was all about the add booking order. Now let's move to global cost settings. We are on the global cost settings tab. So from here the admin can click on this add new rule, and here you can decide the rule name, like I'm deciding rule 1. And here the admin can decide the conditions, like first field is type. So here he can decide date, booking count, time and people's count. So here like I'm selecting date, and from 8th of June to 9th of June I want the base price to be 10 and unit price to be 20. And if you want to add more rules, so you can click on this, so new rule will be added. So this is how you can create more rules. And if you want to add further new conditions, so you can click on this and you can apply the new conditions. So after doing this, you have to click on save settings, and let's go to shop page and let's click on this. So as you can see that the base cost and the general cost is $20 and $10, because from the backend we have decided the base and unit price 10 and 20 respectively. So this is how the admin can easily apply the rules with the help of global cost settings. So this was all about the global cost settings tab. Now let me show you how easily you can allow your customers to reschedule your bookings. So let's go to product section. So we are on the all product section. So now let's select any of the products and let's click on edit. So let's scroll down, and here as you can see that one option is coming as share on Facebook. So once you have configured the Facebook API token and secret key, so then you can choose the different bookable resources and click on share on Facebook option to share the bookable resource on Facebook. Next, as you can see that here is the option of rescheduling allowed is coming. So with this pro plugin, the admin can allow the customers to reschedule the bookings on different order status. Like here the admin can decide on which order status the customer can reschedule the booking. So here I have decided like pending payment, processing, on hold. So on these particular order status, the customers can reschedule the booking to different dates. So this is how it will give the customer flexibility to reschedule their bookings in case if they don't want on that particular date on which they have booked, and they want to book that bookable resource on next date or on different date as per their requirements. So here you can click on this option, click on this tick box to allow this rescheduling for the customers so that they can reschedule the bookings. So this was all about the rescheduling. Now let us move to cost. So here you can see that the option of early bird discount is available in this pro plugin, by which the admin can simply offer the early bird discount to the customers whenever they book any bookable resource. So the coupon or discount will be automatically applied to that particular bookable resource. So firstly you have to click on visit here to create that particular coupon. So here you can type the name, or simply you can click on generate coupon code, and here you can decide the discount type as percentage discount, fixed card discount, or fixed product discount. So I'm selecting fixed cart discount. So you can select as per your needs and requirements. I'm selecting the coupon amount as 15, and in this usage restriction you have to search for the product. Like I have selected hotel Ace, so simply you have to click on this, and product categories is booking. Then you have to click on publish, and then you have to refresh this. And now let's go to cost settings, and here as you can see that the coupon that we have generated is coming here. So you can put it here and you can click on update. So now let's click on view product. So this is the hotel Ace on which we have decided the early bird discount. So here let me select the date from 8th to 9th of June, and here let me select any of this, and let's click on book now. So as you can see that the disclaimer is coming as coupon code applied successfully and hotel Ace has been added to your cart. So let's view the cart. So when we will scroll down, as you can see that the coupon that we have generated or created and mentioned in the early bird discount section, so it's coming here, and the amount that we have decided $15 is coming here. So it has been automatically applied. So this is how the admin can create the coupons and give the early bird discount to the customer, so that it will help to increase the engagement on his store, and it will lead to increase in the bookings by the customer. So this is how you can easily create the early bird discount, create the coupons and give early bird discount to the customers. So this was all about the demo video on Bookings for WooCommerce Pro plugin. And if you have any queries regarding the plugin functionalities, you can mention your queries in the comment section. The links to the product have been mentioned in the video description content. You can check and get all the details. For any doubt, contact us anytime and we will be glad to help you. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and press the bell notification icon to get all the latest update related to our channel. Until the next video, stay connected with us. Thank you.